In less than 2 months, my son is going to be born. And maybe by the time you watch this video, he's already here. But one thing as a parent I'm going to do for him, financially speaking, is I'm going to buy a whole life insurance policy on him. Now, as a parent, I completely understand the thought of getting life insurance on your child is very strange, it's morbid. Why would I get life insurance on my kid? If that is your train of thought, I can almost guarantee you're thinking about term insurance. And in this video, I'm not talking about term insurance. I will not be buying my son term insurance. I'm going to be buying him whole life insurance. So, term insurance is very straightforward. There's a life insured. If they die, the beneficiary gets the money. Whole life insurance, yes, it does come with the life insurance, but it also comes with the savings account. And the savings account is one of the main reasons why I'm going to be buying this whole life insurance policy for my son. The goal is for him to use the savings account for things like paying for college or university, maybe the down payment on his first home, starting his first business, buying his first car. It could even be as long term as his retirement income. The point is, it's flexible as to what he wants to do with it. It's not tied to going to school or not. This is completely independent of that. So he can choose to use this money throughout the milestones of his life. Now, as far as the investment itself, called the cash value, a few things I wanted to point out. So number one, it's guaranteed to go up every single year. It's also guaranteed not to go down every year. So just like a set of stairs, every single year there's a minimum it goes up, and the insurance company can't decrease that, or it doesn't fluctuate like the stock market. So just picture a set of stairs. Every single year you're going to have more in the savings account. The insurance companies can also pay dividends into these policies, and as a parent, you're not hit with any tax bill on that dividend or on any of the annual growth itself. It's very liquid as well. So your child has guaranteed access to the cash value. It's not locked up for 10, 20, 30 years or anything like that. Another thing I like about getting the whole life insurance policy on my son is the fact that it guarantees he's going to have life insurance for the rest of his life. So we all have friends who are in their teens or 20s, 30s, 40s who had health issues and made it very difficult, if not impossible, for them to get life insurance. So this makes sure that your child is born, they're in good health, they are guaranteed to have some life insurance for the rest of their life, no matter what happens to them health-wise along the way. And forward thinking, and this is I know your child was just born and we're talking about a newborn, but probably in 20, 30, 40 years, your child is going to have a child themselves, and that's going to be your grandchild. And the life insurance proceeds that you purchase on your child are going to, ideally get paid to your grandchild as well. So this is going to be two generations you're impacting in a very positive manner. Now, as far as how much does it cost or how much can you put in, it is very flexible as to those two questions. So you can essentially choose how much you want to put in on a monthly basis. You can even put more in some months, less the other months. You can skip months, you can skip years. It's not just set in stone where it's one price for the rest of your life, for the rest of your child's life. You can pay it off in a rather short time frame. And one thing I plan on doing is once your child is working and starts saving some money, you can choose to have them start paying or start saving money into this policy as well. And that's going to increase the cash value, it's going to increase the life insurance. But I think most importantly, it's going to teach very good financial habits to your child as far as savings, compound interest, long-term planning. So it's a way to, teach financial literacy to your child as well. So overall, in my opinion, a whole life insurance policy on your child is a very smart financial move. It will allow them to have access to a savings account when they're 18 going to school, when they're buying the first home, when they're starting their first family, and it can literally go as long as their retirement income. And secondly, it guarantees they have life insurance no matter what happens along the way. Thanks for watching.